Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you know I'm in Jamaica and we are going to the river to take a early, refresh and get back before the curfew. So we're going to Petersfeild to Abiakuta up in the hills. It's like a ital bath and shower. So I'll take you on this tour and let's go and see what it's like. This is something a lot of people don't know about. All right, so let's go on a tour, guys.
Rainy days and sunny days always get me down. When you're not around, girl, you feel like you're on top of the world, but still you're underground. Yeah. You say you are thinking about life, but you only believe in a strife. You only believe in a strife. Don't end up, girl, like Lord's wife.
All right, so we're here and this is the beautiful waterfalls right here at the bottom. So Abiakuta is up there and we're heading up there right now. All right, guys, we made it. We're here at the Abiakuta in Petersfeild. So it's beautiful, it's lush, it's green. We're up in the mountains. We're gonna have a good time. So I'm gonna show you around and show you some of the fun stuff we're gonna do. Just pretty chill and I felt bad. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So they have a little hiking up there, little pool, river running down, little cabins, and there's also videos that shoot up here, like music videos, and you can come and check it out. I love this plant. So this right here used to be an old slave plantation. So you know, this was a great house at one point. So now this June plum tree just grow right in front of it and in it. love to have one of this in my backyard. Fresh Jamaican river water.
From west, crocus bag of weed, the high grade says, James cigar, liquor like a butt cigarette. No go back to me, tell you see we upset me chest. Oh yes, nothing no nice like a split time. Early in the morning, give me split time. Nothing no nice like a split time. Early in the morning, give me split time. Kick over the ashtray, search the window pane. Dig down every cupboard for the crumbs when me save. Tear down the kitchen and you should have seen me face. Take a chance before the sun rains. Some here together and certainly as the wet dream. But I'm not them now. I know my worst days. Stretch across the fence a second with heart and face. Make it get me now. Get fast late. I see now my kitchen.
Take a walk. So you can swing. There's a rope right there. You can swing from. And just enjoy yourself.
Yes, nothing no nice like a split time. Early in the morning, give me split time. Nothing no nice like a split time.
So the reason I love it in the hills, the flowers are beautiful, it's green, it's lush, and the mountains. Sometimes you want to get away from the sea, the ocean front. Look how beautiful that is. And if you're here with a lot of friends, you can have a picnic right there. Bring your food and your music and enjoy yourself. This is very rootsy Jamaican style. Very nice.
Nothing no nice like a split time. Early in the morning, give me split time. Nothing no nice like a split time.
Okay guys, so we're going down to the area that we normally take a shower and then go home. Yes, so this is Mineral Spring right here. This is awesome. Alright, so we're gonna take a little shower and then go home. Guys, this is where my shower is today. So I'm gonna give you a little tour, show you what my shower looks like. Isn't this cool? Right here in Jamaica, in Petersfeild, Abiakuta. This is my outdoor nature shower. It doesn't get better than this. If people want to come to Abiakuta, how do they get you? What's your number? Yeah, go ahead.
342.
Okay.
5930.
Okay. So them just call you and come. So 342 59 13. Okay, and then call you and come Abiakuta. We feel good.
Yeah, man.
Alright, later. Yes, at the Mineral Spring. And Mineral Spring.
Yeah.
I feel like $1 million right now. Like $1 million after this kind of vibes.
Whole box of rice.
Alright, some jerk chicken before curfew. Hungry. Jerk chicken bad. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoy this vlog from Abiakuta in Petersfeild. When you come to Jamaica, you should try it out. Very cool.